Well, it can't always be fun and games. We have a little bit of land here in South Carolina, so we've got quite a few chores on the list today. So that's what we're gonna start doing. We're taking you with us. As much as another adventure sounded perfect, we chose a weekend of working side by side as a family, pouring into the place we call home. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Instead of chasing rest into the wild, we leaned into something else, something unexpected, but deeply meaningful. Just before the world shut down in 2020, we purchased a 1960s one-level fixer-upper. What was meant to be a 6-month renovation stretched into a 3-year transformation. As contractors backed away due to the fear of the unknown, we stayed. 16-hour days, 7 days a week, doing whatever it took. While I was buried in work, my wife was the anchor, caring for our family and keeping life moving with quiet determination. As I missed moments with our newborn I'll never get back. This house wasn't just a project anymore. It became a part of me. What started as an investment became a chapter of our family's story. We moved into a mostly gutted home with our little boy, walls unfinished, but our hearts full. And now, looking back, all we feel is gratitude. What we thought was just a flip turned into a home, a place shaped by sacrifice, by love, and by faith. And like he always does, God wrote a far greater story than we could have ever planned. Grass is all done and complete, so I'm gonna go grab little man and do some ATV riding. 4-wheeler time? Yeah, man. And then we're gonna go for a ride?
Yeah.
All right. What are you doing?
I'm making my own Lego figure.
Oh, I like it, man. Very cool. Custom.
Hey, so what did you eat at farm camp?
I ate a little cucumber and
What?
and I picked a strawberry and then washed it and then eat it.
You ate that too?
Yeah.
Was it so good?
Yeah.
Oh, farm camp for the win.
Yeah.
What else did you see growing at farm camp?
I saw flowers and potatoes and butternut squash.
What?
There's a kiwi plant there.
Oh man, kiwis are so good. Great pit stop. Being outside with crew feels like everything fatherhood is meant to be. Just the two of us. No distractions, no noise. Only simple, honest time together. Ready to rock? All right, warming up. Good? Every little moment, whether we're working or talking, feels important. Sometimes I glance back and see Lindsay watching us from the kitchen window, and even from inside, she's part of it. These times with my son mean more to me than I could ever describe. They fill my heart in a way nothing else does. Time goes by too quickly. Is that fun? Who won? You did? All right, go.
Ready, set, go!
But I hold on tight to every second, hoping he'll remember them too someday. You did? I love you, man. Good job. Hey, good job.
Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.
You ready?
Desert sand.
You're right, it is.
Desert tan.
Yep, desert tan.
I guess it's the color of desert sand.
Probably so. Makes sense, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll get it on your fancy shirt. Yep, here, I'll show you. So you'll just dab it in like this. And you start painting. Doing a good job, big guy.
Yeah. Now look at my board already.
Oh no, you're doing such a good job. Here, I'll bring it to you. How about that?
Oh, Dad, you're very sweet.
Thanks, buddy. You're very sweet, kiddo. How about just like a bunch of 10-second daddy hugs?
I'm helping.
I appreciate your help, buddy.
I'm gonna take a little break. Is that fine?
Yeah. All done, bro. Thanks for the help, man. How's it look?
Good.
Good? Hey, man, thanks for the help.
This is my board.
I know, and your board looks the best out of all of them because you use a paintbrush, and I just used a roller. Well, yours looks really good, buddy. My best bud, man. Having a buddy just up the road willing to lend a hand with his equipment means more than words can say. It's not just a time saver going to and from the equipment rental location. It's a reminder of the quiet generosity that makes everyday work feel a little lighter. Growing up on 12 acres, I spent my childhood cutting grass, splitting wood, and keeping the place running. It shaped who I am. Being the one who cared for that land taught me to love it deeply. Now watching our son grow, I feel that same pull to pass it on. Prue is just 5, but he already wants to be part of everything I do. Whether we're riding the mower or checking the tools, he's right there, wide-eyed and eager. I don't take that for granted, not for a second. These early years are precious, and I'm grateful for every moment we share out there. Building not just skills, but memories I hope he carries forever.
Even more wobbly. Okay, you gotta push that in.
About a year ago, we picked up a simple little greenhouse, not for instant results, but with hope in our heart. While it hasn't yielded much yet, the memories my wife and I carry from childhood gardens and seeing Prue's growing curiosity make it an easy decision for our family. It's become something we do together, and with a bit of patience, we're hopeful that future videos will show the fruits of both our labor and love. We don't have a real hoe, so we got crews. If you're wondering what this is mushroom compost. The guy at a nursery a couple years ago recommended this, and we put it in our ferns, and they grow like wildfire. So throw this in just about anything. It's good stuff. Peekaboo.
Hi.
All right, let's go get Crew there so he can help us do all this. He loves the planting part.
Do it.
You ready to help us plant some stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What fruit is he?
Oh, he's a tomato.
Tomato. Yummy.
Good job.
One of my plants are already growing. Look.
Oh,
The
sweet.
yellow one.
I love it, man.
Cool. Cucumber. So this is original cucumber. These are the cucumbers we eat. Oh wait, this is different cucumber.
Give us the heirloom.
Oh, I would love to eat this one.
Crew, what is it?
Sweet basil. That's the best spot to walk.
Crew, look up. Busy work day, but we got a ton accomplished. We're gonna have to call it a day. I'm so spent. We'll hit it tomorrow. Good morning. We are back at it. Actually got a couple rounds of wood split, and now we're gonna do a big fire to burn all the rotted wood and finish up splitting. So let's get it done.
I love you. You like riding the tractor?
Yeah.
I can't see your face.
Love you.
We got the fire roaring and a lot of wood chopped, but looks like we're about to get poured on. And here it comes. Got the covers on. I'm out. It's pouring. Oh, the rain sure is pretty though.
For months, my wife gently mentioned wanting an outdoor shower. At first, it felt like just another project, but deep down, I knew I wanted to give her that small joy. Life out here gets messy, and now it's become part of our routine, especially for me and crew. But that's her heart, always thinking of what makes life better for all of us. She gives so much without asking for anything in return. She's the quiet strength behind everything we are.
Thank you for supporting our channel and enjoying in our family's adventures together. We appreciate the encouragement, and we look forward to many more explorations yet to come. This is only the beginning. We'll see you on the next one.